Alright, good morning. It's not even morning, I don't know why I said that. But as you can see, it is very icy out here. So the FRS is absolutely covered in ice. And that's rock solid. I want to, first of all, cold start the FRS. Try not to bust my ass here. I want to cold start the FRS. And then maybe take it and go sliding a little bit. I want to record the cold start though because I'm on E85, and as you guys know, E85 is hard to start up in the cold. It's about 20 degrees right now, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So set the camera up and start this car up. Let's see what it does. The car has not been started in like, oh, okay, door opened right up, no problem. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's just go for the cold start, and then we're gonna get all this ice off while the car warms up. Start it up, no problem. Gonna smoke out the whole neighborhood. Oh my gosh, dude. I mean, everything is frozen on this car. I'm gonna have to get like some warm water. Yeah, this ain't doing shit. Alright, I got some warm water. Gonna just slowly pour it because this ice is like 4 inches. Timer. Oh my god, almost just ate ass. Holy shit. Got the heat blasting in my car, but got the freaking ice off finally. Most of it back there. Enough for me to see. And over here. FRS is here. Man, this stuff is nasty. I mean, this stuff is ice, man. You know, it feels rough on these tires, but fuck it. We're gonna do it. We're in like a school parking lot, so it's very possible cops will pull up on my ass, but yeah, I'm gonna say, I'm trying to learn my car and how to handle it in scenarios like this. I'm trying to force myself to slide, you know, so I can counter it. And got the GoPro inside the car. Turn the GoPro on. Let's see, boys. I can't even turn this thing. Just getting a feel for it. Like, there's nothing I can do. just spinning, guys. I literally can't do anything. Go around the camera. See, like, dude, it's just spinning. Let me turn off like 70% of it. All right. So I hold down the traction control button, hold it for like 3 seconds, and that should turn like it off 70%. I originally had it off in the EcuTech app, which turns it off completely. So. It's definitely better. Oh, hold it. What happened if I just floor it? I'm just gonna floor it. Nothing. I literally just redlined it. That's funny. Let these goofy ass people decided to show up, so I'm just gonna dip because they're gonna hit my car. Guys, I'm inside now. I didn't end off the video. I was freezing, ready to get inside. This is a fun little video showing the cold start and the ice and doing some drifting. Trying to, at least. This is the worst like I've ever seen the roads and like parking lots. Like it was no snow. Like if you couldn't hold a drift at all. Like it was just straight ice. So I'm definitely not going to be on the roads anytime soon. Just drove to that parking lot. It was a minute away from the house. But yeah, guys, it's a fun little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be posting way more content about the FRS. So subscribe to stay tuned, guys, and peace.